Wanasema we are twins but we're not twins. Wanasema we're brothers but we're not brothers. But in real sense, in our mind, we have set our mind that we are brothers. Hapo nasema kuligawa dem. Kwanza nani amekwambia mimi sina dem? Nani amekwambia mimi sina msichana? Sina mrembo? Ama nikisema msichana, nani akakwambia mimi am single? I'm not single. I'm not single.
Hello, how are you guys? It has been a long time manze, since nikuja hapa kwa platform. I'm back. Na mambo lazima ichemke. Wacha to cool engine kwanza.
Yeah,
Guess who is in the house? It has been a long time since you've seen this guy. Yes. Yeah. Sasa vipi? Tuambie mambo yako sasa.
Yeah, I'm Johnson. I don't know where to start from, but yeah, venye amesema tu things are that way, and ni hivyo tu, sina story mob. Sina story mingi leo, siongeangi sana, lakini yeah, imekuwa while by the way, and if I reflect back, I don't know when was the last time I was here. Yeah, huwa nakam kumtembelea because venye amesema tu.
No, we ngoja.
Sure.
Is just now when we are starting the show. Okay, so venye mnamtambuanga, najua mnamuonanga hapa na pale huko tukiwa pamoja in the videos, but you're asking yourself, I've never seen these guys wakiwa together hivi like physical. We try to avoid that. Why? Because of one reason. First, inafaa niseme hii ama ninyamazie?
Yeah, you can go ahead.
Niseme? Okay.
Tell them.
Yafaa mjue that we are not twins, we are not brothers, we are just brothers from different mothers. You know, I'm the one who was looking for him. Actually, when I joined campus, I was told that we're having someone who look very ni common ama similar?
For the official, sometimes we do put
very similar to you. You look alike. So nikajiuliza, who is this guy? I want to meet him. And again, this guy was not just easy to find. Took me some time looking for him. And one day, it was back in 2022? Yeah, 2022 if I'm not wrong. Around December, ikielekea December hivi, after election. So we met, and actually our first video we did to act something small, and there's a girl called Chantel. Sijui kama unakumbuka, wewe mmoja. I told you atakuja so that we can do a certain episode, but sasa I don't know what happened. Hakuwa na get time ya kukam kushoot. So, and that's how it ended. Now we came to know each other, and I was also shocked, as you are shocked.
For me, by the way, hata mimi I was shocked.
Yeah, as you're shocked, I was also shocked, and things do happen. So we adapted and knew, and now became friends, became brothers up to now. I know even my brothers don't know him. I don't know his brothers. I don't know his parents. He don't know my parents. So it's just as simple as it is. We play it down. Yeah, we want one day to come and surprise you guys.
By the way, I'm sorry, I never came for your graduation. Nimeona kapicha kako pale, uko smart sana. Ka turning boy, yeah? Unakunywa. Nah, we don't like being at a common place outside there physically because of our own issues, plans, and targets of life.
Inakuanga ngumu kupatana because most of the time anakuanga away out of the country. Most of the time mimi nimekuanga shule of late, but sahi tunafanya 1-2 hapa hivi kusurvive na maisha. So getting to meet or getting time inakwanga hard sana. So anakujanga mostly huku time ya yenye wasa wameenda home, nakwanga holiday. Kwani unakwanga mwanafunzi? Mi ni mse wa kumove. I don't settle at one place. Penye sahi niko hapa, you might find me next week somewhere else. Ni hivyo, na hiyo ndio life style yangu. I like moving one place to another. And actually, I really appreciate the guy because he has been supportive and as well as I have been. Na najua kwamba we're going to move far. Wanasema we are twins but we're not twins. Wanasema we're brothers but we're not brothers. But in real sense, in our mind, we've set our mind that we are brothers. We came to meet after meeting. We did a certain show. And when you see two of us, kuna venye some character are different. Maybe you can see we are the same.
520.
Most of the things are similar, look alike. But ukituangalia tu, I am a guy who likes some kind of official hivi. Yeah. Nataka kupatia mtu huyu mwanaume. By the way,
unashinda tu hapo unasema kunigawa dem. Kwanza nani amekwambia mimi sina dem? Nani amekwambia mimi sina msichana, sina mrembo? Ama nikisema msichana, nani akakwambia mimi am single? I'm not single. I'm not single. I have someone. I love someone. Like you can tell us your situation, by the way. The last time I was here, nilimwambia I want you.
Noma sana.
Get someone. You're getting old, my brother. Getting old. You getting old.
Yeah.
You are getting old. And maybe someone might not tell you that. I'm telling you for free. Get someone who is serious. Usitafute ama watoto wenye wameingia campus juzi, watoto wenye watakusumbua akili. You know you're still young. You need someone who has mature IQ, capacity of thinking. Yeah, who you can go far with. But
ngoja.
Unajua umeimba.
Kuwa na mtu si issue. Lakini hata unajua I've been trying out. There's something I'm thinking about. Kuna ingoma imetoka, sijui nani ameimba. Kuna ingoma ina trend hapa. I don't know if I can get it. But I think I have to look for a Luya lady now. Because, by the way, nimekuwa nikitafuta someone out of my tribe. Because, you know, sometimes kuna kuangana hii mambo ya watu mnasema hybrid comes out of crossbreeding, so we get something different. So but it has been unfortunate. I don't know, the ladies I meet outside here, maybe we vibe and we do all sort of things. Maybe the target or the aim is to date. It end up failing. Maybe sometimes inapata we don't have commonness in us. Unapata kuna kitu mtu anapenda na huyu mwingine hapendi, but that might actually is a risk if you can date such a kind of a person, because what to say, you date your friend. So actually I'm looking forward to getting a loyal lady now. Listen to this song. Noma hiyo. Hey, pull up. Sawa mkuu, sawa. na ni hivyo yeah.